to 9111 Sharonbrook Drive, Unit D, a two-story, two-bedroom, two-and-a-half-bathroom townhome in the Stratfordshire community. For more information or to schedule a viewing, please visit our website at www.touchpointpm.com. As you enter, you have the living room with rustic wood beams in the ceiling and a brick wall. You will have lots of privacy in this beautiful, quiet, and small complex. Half bathroom and a spacious eat-in kitchen with all stainless steel appliances. Beautiful granite countertops and cabinet space. From here you have conveniently access to the laundry room and to the back porch. Moving up to the second floor, to the right we have the first bedroom with ceiling fans and window seats. Right next to the bedroom we have a shared full bathroom with a shower tub combo. And lastly, we have the primary bedroom. Ceiling fan, and its private bathroom with walk-in closet and a separate vanity area. Come and make this your new home. Make it a great day.